Vibration analysis. Vibration has traditionally been associated with trouble in machines, wear malfunctions, noise, and structural damage. In more recent years, however, vibration has been used to save industry millions of dollars in machine downtime. Evaluation of changes in levels of machine vibrations has become an important part of most maintenance programs. Similar evaluations are used to solve design problems as well as to establish the cause of chronic malfunctions and failures. You can outsource all or part of your condition monitoring program to Canada Predictive Maintenance Incorporated. We employ vibration analysis, balancing dynamic of rotors, laser alignment, thermography, and ultrasound. Canada Predictive Maintenance Incorporated will work with you to identify and prioritize the assets that can benefit most from a condition monitoring program. Identify the appropriate technologies to use and quantify the expected return on investment. For more information, visit us at www.canadapredictivemaintenance.com.